You just passed your prop firm evaluation through Apex. You just got funded. Congratulations. I know it was a lot of work to get there. Now you're in profit. You go to request your payout and you get denied. Or even worse, you find out that you lost your account. All that work just gone. Today, we're going to go over the rules with Apex prop funding. I'm going to explain what you can do and what you can't do so you're not denied a payout or even worse, lose your account. Today's breakdown is beginner friendly, packed with examples, and based on the most recent rule updates as of August 2025. Rule number 1, have a real trading system. Apex doesn't want random button clicking. You need a repeatable system. That means you need to know these things in advance. You need to know where you're going to enter, where you're going to exit, how much you'll risk, and what you're targeting. If they ask, you need to be able to explain these things and be able to show it on the chart, just in case. Rule number 2, no fully automated trading. No set it and forget it bots. You can have something to place an automatic stop loss, but anything outside of that is a no-go. If they find out you're using bots, that's an automatic violation, and you and your friend are up out of there. Rule number 3, one direction per market. If you go long on NASDAQ in one account, you can't simultaneously go short in NASDAQ on another account. That violates the hedging rule. No hedging the same instrument. Rule number 4, always use a stop loss. Always. Every single trade needs a safety net. That's your stop loss. It's what keeps a bad trade from wiping you out. Rule number 5, 5-to-1 risk reward limit. If you're aiming to make $100, you can't risk more than $500. Rule number 6, 30% max loss per trade. If you start the day with $1,000 in profits, you cannot lose more than $300 in that same day. Rule number 7, contract scaling. Start with the training wheels. Only half of your allowed contracts until you've built up a buffer. Then you can size up. Rule number 8, safety net rule. For your first payouts, you need to keep at least $100 above your minimum balance. That's your buffer to stay safe. Rule number 9, payout requirements. You have to trade at least for 8 days consecutively. Out of 5 of those days, you have to have at least over $50 profit, and you can request a payout anytime after that. Rule number 10. Yeah, halftime, guys. Rule number 10, the 30% consistency rule. Remember, this is a job, you gotta play the game. No single day can be greater than 30% of your total profits. If your total account balance is $2,000, 10% of $2,000 is $200, 30% would be $600. The moment you see your profit on one trade go to $5.99, you have to cut it, or you violated the 30% consistency rule. No questions asked, just stop. Rule 11, flipping is allowed. Quick in and out trades are just fine. Just make sure you hit that $50 profit in those 5 days. Rule number 12, dollar cost averaging is fine. You can add to a losing trade, but you still have to follow the risk limit. Don't let it snowball. Rule 13, news trading is allowed with a catch. You're going to trade 5 minutes before the news and 5 minutes after the news. Do not violate these rules. A lot of people do and end up losing their accounts because of a technical. Don't be that person. Rule 14. This is super important. Be professional. Be respectful when the Apex staff contacts you. Bad behavior will get you banned, even if you're profitable. They don't care. If you're a jerk, you gotta go. Rule 15, taxes. If you're in the US, you'll get a 1099 NEC form. And if you're outside of the US, it is up to you to report your earnings. So remember, with Apex, it's not about just making money. It's about showing that you're consistent. And it's showing that you can protect your account. Follow these rules, and you're not just passing the evaluations, you're getting your payouts. If you want my Apex trading checklist, drop me a comment below and I'll get that right to you. And if you found this video to be helpful, please give me a subscribe and hit the notification icon. My goal here is to provide updates for you for all rule changes. And if any new prop firms that are worth our time pops up, this will be the place for you to find out about it. My name is Bruce Rain, and this is Trader's Ambition. Thank you. Let's get